Oh. Yo, what's good, bros? Got my Yoshi, yo. Man, cute. Alright. So I got this recently in my mail, or friend's mail, you know. Pretty legit. It's very legitical. Alright, so what, as you can see right here, this is a headset. Well, it says for PC, but that's why I only play Xbox One for now. Screw PS4. Alright, and this is the HyperX cloud. You know, clouds from the sky. Yeah, you know. And it's, if you look, wait, damn it. Ugh. I got it. Pro gaming headset, like me. So since these are for pros, I'm guessing I have to use it. Alright. Shall we open it? My hair's bothering me. Okay. Alright, let me see this. Okay. I'm bad with unboxing shits. You know. Oh, we got it. Oh. Fuck. Oh. The box. I didn't mean to do that. And now we got this HyperX. HyperX. Alright, so I guess we gotta open up this. Ready? Oh, trademark, by the way. I'm not sponsored by them, but it's pretty legitical. Oh shit. It's pretty cool. Oh, it even says, wait. I can do this, Wait. It's very glycery. It says, welcome to the HyperX team. The I am clan. You don't know what this is. I'm in another clan. Another team. The real team. Dream team. Now inside this box is this cool ass wax paper. Yoshi could have it. He's not cute. I said that already, I know. Not cute. And here's the quick start guide. But you know, college students don't read. I'm gonna read that later. Don't worry. And then we got this foam looking thing. And now here's the bad boys right here. Look. So here's the headset. Here was the thing that fell last time. I don't even know what it is yet. We'll find out. Wait. Is this little thing? You guys can tell me what it is. Oh, it has a little plug. You know, I'm a plug. We even got things to go to sleep. These little muffin things. I don't know what they're called. They're not comfortable. Hello, Yoshi. Alright, so here's the headset. Look. I hope I don't break it. Please don't break it. Who's calling me? Okay. It's a detachable mic. Whoa, look at it. It's very bendy. That's what she said. Okay. Oh, you had to open this part of this part right here. And you gotta. Never mind. I was. You have to open it. Maybe you gotta. Oh, you gotta take this out. Look, this foam. Yeah. Okay. Oh, and then there's more wires. So this is the headset itself. Let's use it. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa. Whoa, that's pretty cool. I can't hear you guys if you're saying something. Okay, so I'm gonna speak a little louder because I could barely hear myself. So, I think this is the splitter. I think that's what Ace Notorious told me. Shout out to him. No YouTube channel. He's channelless. Okay. And now, here's a little cool button. It's a HyperX attachment. And then we got these 3 cables, which I don't know what we're gonna do yet. But where's the quick? Oh, the quick guy's over there. I gotta go get that. PC or Mac. I was hungry. I want a Mac. Oh, it does work for Xbox One. Okay, I see it. And PlayStation 4. I don't care about you. Oh, even mobile. Mobile? I mean, so, oh, and oh yeah, and I said PC or Mac. So since we're doing the Xbox One, I had to buy an adapter. But anyway, go put bam right here. Look, look at the price. It's not that special. So this was unboxing the HyperX Cloud. We got Nubis. That's pretty much it. Wait. Oh shit! What the hell is that? Ow, that shit hurt me. What? A secret? What is this? Oh shit. Yo, this is better than my mic. It's a little hat. We out, Yoshi. Wait. We out, Yoshi. We out to explore the Netherland.